It's after midnight. Everybody's gone to bed. It's time for some midnight ops.
Okay, so I want to try to do a short video on what I have upcoming for my arcade now that my 4.3 cabinet's mostly done. So I just kind of do a quick walkthrough here. So the first one that I'm going to, these are what I'm going to call project zeros, which mean they're not really projects in and themselves. They're just things that I need to do. So this is my jam session cabinet. You can see that the logo light doesn't work. Also, that key that you can see right there, my key doesn't work, so I got to get that taken care of. There's a key on the back I can't get into. And then there is probably an issue also with the sound for the attract mode. And you can see there's an error for the tickets as well. That says I don't have any tickets, so I need to figure out if I'm going to do like a rotating ticket. But basically, just need to work on that. That's what I'm calling a Project Zero. My other Project Zero is actually the Gun4IR cab that I just kind of finished up, So there's essentially, you kind of see the cab as it is. So up at the top, I'm going to replace that marquee with a dynamic marquee that'll change. You can see the guns are just kind of sitting on that board there, so I need to fix the gun holders. Also, I may make some metal plates, I may not, but also you can see I don't have the bezel on, I don't have the glass on, so I need to figure those out. And then next is my Chase HQ2 cabinets. And actually, they're my Project 1 and 2. So I have enough parts for between the two of them to get one cab working. It'll have the force feedback, the original boards. It'll be essentially original cabinet. And then the other one where the computer went out, the Taito X2 went out, I'm going to transform that into a multi-cab computer-based, Windows-based. So that's kind of the Project 2. These are the main projects to get done so that generally the arcade as in and of itself works. And that's the big thing. And then my third one is actually a positional gun cab. So I bought these after seeing, I believe it was Retro Ralph's video on it. I ordered these way back in May 26th of this year. And then overall, it took me 3 months to get them from China. I hooked them up back in August just to test them out. They did work with a few little hiccups here and there, but I got them to work. So that's going to be my third project. And then the fourth project is going to be a 16x9 Gun4IR cabinet. So this is going to be modern games. Things on Techno Parrot that aren't the positional gun games, because that's going to be the other cabinet, and also some other games that either work with rifles or that aren't positional games. So with the software with that JB did, it looks like I could do 4 guns on them, and then just using demo shooter configurations, I could do the different guns for what I want to work basically. So these are essentially my upcoming projects. And we'll see how everything works out. But I just kind of want to give a rundown of the next things I'm going to be working on. If you have any of these systems, like the Chase HQ2 cabinets, and maybe you want to look, me to get some closer pictures or look inside, get you some information, because there's not a lot of information out there on those cabinets. I was never able to find any manuals or anything like that. Just leave me a comment and I'll get some pictures up and so that you can take a closer look at what's going on. Anyway, I'm looking forward to getting started. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Otherwise, see you on the next Midnight Ops.